Be back at the range. Finally. Let's get to it. Quick video. So I ordered a safe because I'm starting to run out of room and space. So ordered it on Amazon and it's not what I expected. Yeah, so you should be able to put 4 firearms up here, and no, you can't. They should put in the description that it's for compact pistols. Even smaller than a compact, because I have pretty small guns and they barely fit 4 guns up here. And if you like bought a shotgun, yeah, maybe 1 would fit in there. Even a 10 can't even fit in there. Yeah, it's not going. So I'm gonna put the name of the safe, but yeah, don't get this one if you have regular size handguns or a compact. Only thing can fit in here is baby guns.
Back at you with another banger after banger after banger. Been gone for a while. You know, life. Life is life, you know. Went to the range yesterday. Didn't get good footage because some vets there. They didn't want me to get them in the frame. And I understood that. I respect that. I respect all vets. You fought for this country. Even though Trump said you guys is losers for dying and all that, to me, it takes courage and strength to even fight for a country that don't pay you when you get back. You have the same struggles when you come back. I respect y'all. I think y'all should get free housing, free health care, um, a job when you get back from war. Like guaranteed. That's what I think. Um, been watching a lot of the news. War going on. A war that I don't know why we over there. I guess for oil, gas prices still high, and to everybody saying, "Oh, it's Biden." I don't like Biden myself, but it wasn't Biden. The damn gas prices wasn't even that high when he was in office. It was high, but not this damn high. Okay, I want to buy a Durango. I'm like, I don't know about that. Like that's probably like a $90 a week in gas. And I got a question for y'all. People that bought from Carvana, tell me your experience because I'm scared about buying a car from there, but I don't got the best credit in the world, and I don't want to get screwed over buying from the dealership again. I got a Buick that's a 2018, about 90,000 miles, and we all know American cars don't last that long. Once they hit 100,000, the damn transmission probably gonna go out. So it's time for a new vehicle. I don't want to go to a dealership because that's another 6 years of interest, and basically more debt, more debt, more debt over the years. Never gonna own a car. But I'm the type of person I can't buy a car on OfferUp or Craigslist because the car is gonna last for a year and break down. I don't drive that reckless. Okay. Um, Latinos. I've been noticing a lot of hate going on. Okay, it's enough in the world going on right now. You got ICE, you got racist people that don't like y'all. There don't need to be racist towards black people. Okay, I've been dealing with that all my life. Cause I'm Caribbean, and you could say Latino too, but you deal with that. You're too black. You're too light. You got wet eyes. You're weto and all that. Let's cut all that out. Latino races come in all shapes and colors, okay? Cut it out. And then another thing, I've been noticing this. Indian Native Americans got beef with black people. When did that even start? Usually Native Americans is all peace, casinos, and about just preserving the land. Also, I'm seeing on TikTok, this like, you guys, black people was indigenous in this country. Who cares? America's fucked up right now. Who cares? Okay. I don't. It's like everything on TikTok is about I hate this person. I hate this person. Damn, we just racism just upgraded from Caucasians. It's more or less white people racist nowadays. It's more minorities being racist. Like I grew up around it. Like minorities always been racist, but we always say minorities can't be racist. They can. As you can see now on TikTok. I barely go on TikTok because it used to make me laugh. Now it just irritate me, and my algorithm is just full of just hate. Maybe it's me for liking this shit. I don't know. That's probably what it is, or they just keep pushing it towards me. You go on X, same thing. I barely be on social media, but when I went to the range, the footage I'm gonna put it out there. It ain't gonna be the best. I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna get better footage. If you get this gun, the Canic, I tried pushing 115 grain through it, and it would just kept jamming. I recommend put 120. I think it's 125 grain. I ain't have no issues with it. But 115, you gotta put that lower spring in there because it's gonna keep jamming. I shot the 10 millimeter Springfield XD. It shot flawless, beautiful, as you can see in the footage. Beautiful. I ain't have a kick like when my friend has a Glock that's a 10 millimeter, and it just had a kick. But this Springfield, it barely had a kick. That recoil was so beautiful. I recommend that gun, especially if you camp in Wisconsin. You got them black bears and all that, wherever bears they get out there. I recommend the Springfield over the Glock, especially if you got little hands. I will go with the Springfield. What else I'm gonna say on this wonderful Sunday? I hope y'all have a good week. Like I'm on my quest to just be successful. I'm just tired of struggling. Like I don't struggle like I used to, but it's like I want to live comfortable. Like when all your bills on auto pay and you just not even worried about checking the bank account. Like yeah, they taking the money out, whatever. And you got a couple thousand in there. I'm trying to get like that's my goal for the next couple of years. It's just don't let the negative of social media or life get to you. Oh yeah, before I go, I'm at Dunkin' Donuts and I have a patch on my bag that says "fuck ice." These two older guys approached me and was like, "Who do you think you are?" When do people get the balls to even come up to people nowadays and like try to approach them like aggressively? Like I have enough self control to just walk away now, but the old me would have crashed out and just knocked both of them out. But I just smiled and walked away. You never know what people are going through nowadays. You cannot just approach people. They could having a bad day and you approach them all tough, and it could be your last day on this earth. Me personally, I'm not like that. I'm not trying to spend the rest of my life in prison with a bunch of guys taking showers in cold water with a little bar soap, taking a poop in front of another guy. No. It's just, we got to do better. It's not the time to be a manly man nowadays, okay? I understand back then, boomers and Gen X, it's like, oh, it's about being an alpha, be a man. No. This this somebody have some racist shit on their bag or a racist shirt on, literally just shake your head, walk away. Don't approach the person. Like they literally followed me out the store. Was like, you need to take that patch off. Like they were an officer or some military or something. Like, you guys just passed your prime. You're not LeBron, okay? You passed your prime. LeBron is in his prime, even though he's 41 years old. You look like you're like 66, maybe 70. Cut it out. If I did fight you, these two, it would be a quick fight. And that's just, I'm not going to do that. I don't have the time, the energy, and don't want to deal with the law. Okay? We need to get back to love and peace. Okay? It's too much haterade in this world. And TikTok need to do better. All this racist shit on TikTok is not fun. Okay? You can't even open TikTok up at work because something you never know what's gonna pop up. All right, I'm gonna start uploading more. I'm sorry for the very late video, but I'm gonna do better. And I'm sorry, I did not know how much a 10mm practice bullets are. When I used to go to the range, I'll spend 30, maybe, $20, $30. I literally asked for 10mm bullets and it came up to almost $65. I'm like, damn. And people really be like considering carrying a 10mm. Woo! I don't think I am, but I'm gonna keep on using 9mm for concealed carry. That's so much money. Everything's high right now, even bullets. Hell, I don't even know in Illinois with JB, can we make our own bullets? Somebody tell me in the comments, because we can't do nothing in Illinois. Well, until next time, God bless y'all. Have a great week. Let the positive show and push the negative out your life. Until next time, bye. I'm like shit, I hopped out so quick. Then I raised my blick and I don't miss. I let off 2 shots, I hit him in this shit. Now Bonte quick. What you finna do? Cause this gon' make the news.
Looks so unnatural. There we go. Real Indians. Everybody wanna be us.